Perhaps not only was it a gasoline poured in, but perhaps a device such as a Molotov cocktail was used in the starting of this fire.
We learn new details about how a suspected arsonist burned down the historic Bidwell Mansion, according to the DA. Investigators say they used these security camera videos that you see in the shots behind me right here to get the exact footsteps of the suspect. Now, these new details came just moments after the judge arraigned suspect Kevin Carlson. Action News Now reporter Camille Acevedo has been at the courthouse all day long. Camille, what have you learned about the suspect, Carlson?
Right, Alan. So, yes, Carlson made his first appearance here in court today in Butte County. Now, he is being suspected of lighting the Bidwell Mansion on fire that happened on December 11th. A couple of things is coming out of court today is that he can face a maximum of 11 years in state prison. But when you add willful arson to the table, that adds 6 years, and then use of excellence adds another 5 years. Now, according to District Attorney Mike Ramsey, what we know about Carlson so far is that he's from Paradise, California, so not that far from here. He graduated from Chico State University, and according to DA Mike Ramsey, he kept always a very low profile, so not really on social media, and he kept close with a few people, but that was pretty much it. Kept a low profile. Now, in terms of the investigation, well, investigators were able to determine Carlson as a suspect on December 15th. We know that the mansion caught on fire on December 11th, so a few days later, investigators were right on Carlson, and the reason why is because of video surveillance. A lot of video surveillance in nearby neighborhoods marked a specific vehicle passing through just hours before the mansion caught on fire, and then same vehicle leaving, captured on those same surveillance cameras, and even that the vehicle happened to be at the Bidwell Mansion a day before the Bidwell Mansion caught on fire. One of those things also that happened to be was that the license plates were removed from that specific vehicle, and so they noticed that the back tail light happened to be broken. So they used the camera, the license plate readers from Chico to cross-examine and find a vehicle that had the back tail light broken. Only one showed up, and that happened to be registered under Carlson himself. And in terms of the motive, we'll take a listen to what DA Mike Ramsey has to say about that motive.
Investigators again located a TikTok channel. It's a channel focusing on expressing communist, Marxist, very left-wing. Not that communists and Marxists aren't left-wing in themselves, but even further. Channels that would indicate a anti-colonialism bend. That's why you heard me say in court today that there was an indication of some political ideology.
Now, they are still trying to determine what the motive was as to why the Bidwell Mansion was targeted itself. A couple of things. DA Mike Ramsey could not confirm with me if Carlson did confess to this, as well as to why the fire alarm was not working during this incident. And then also another thing to add is in court today, Carlson did request for an attorney. Back to you at the station here in Butte County. I'm Camille Acevedo for Action News Now.
Thank you, Camille. Now, if you'd like to see the entire press conference, go to our website. You'll find this article on our homepage, and there's a link for you to watch it.